Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, Sunday morning, and it's a much more beautiful morning. The sun is shining. There's some clouds, but there's a lot of blue skies around it as well. We are definitely looking forward to a nicer day after the last two, and hoping for some really good sales to come along with it. All right, guys, Talon and Chip are getting the curtains rolled up. It looks like the bikini bike wash crew is showing up and starting to get things open. No bikinis yet. Looks like Mike and James have got the tire set up going, and Amanda and Jeff have just showed up as well. All right, so we got a couple of jobs right off of the bat. Talon just took that one down off of the lift. Got the soft tail up here. So not a real busy morning just yet, but it's still really early. A little after 9, about 9:20 or so, and all the lifts are full and the place is really starting to fill up. The weather's warmed up a little bit. It's actually a really nice day, even though it's still kind of cloudy. It's beautiful, much better than the previous days. Check out the line at the Bikini Bike Wash today. They're definitely busy. The sun is out. The bikinis are out. All right, guys, rocking and rolling. We're busy. 4 on the lift, 2 in line. Everything is going really, really good so far. And even this right here, this couple, these are the ones that had the tire blowout yesterday, or the wheel that cracked. That's the rental car. It looks like maybe they found themselves a wheel. Good morning, Hunter.
Morning.
Guys, give a shout out to whoever you want.
Shout out to everybody back home in Ontario, Canada. Same deal, because his relations are my relations.
Sounds good, guys. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate you guys watching the channel. So now it's about 12:30. As you can see, we got all 4 lifts full. We still got 2 in line. Actually 3 in line. I think we got 1 more coming. But we just had 5, but we rotated them out pretty quick. Definitely a busy day. If you look behind me, there's a lot going on. The bike wash girls are busy. Every business out here looks like they're doing well. There's a lot of people here today. I think a lot of people got trapped inside yesterday because of the weather, and now they're itching to get out. I don't blame them. It's a beautiful day to be riding today. And here's our customer from yesterday that had the broke wheel. So now we've got the new wheels on his bike.
Yeah.
It is looking good, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. All right, you be safe. just as a testament of how busy it is here, normally this row of motorcycles on either side of this pendant banner is all the parking that's here, but it's been so busy they had to add a third line of parking all the way down. There's a lot of people here today, guys. A lot of people.
I love having colors, but I don't want them going to my medical cabinet and stuff like that, you know? That's my business, not theirs.
All right, guess what time it is again? Time to switch over the oil drum. Yep, we've gone through another drum since the last time you saw this. Did you see this? Was this on the video that you guys didn't see yet? It could be, I don't know. If so, you have no idea what I'm talking about. But I filmed us changing a drum over the other day. But it might have been on the video you didn't see because of YouTube. Not liking booties.
Welcome to Sturgis, baby.
Hi there, how you doing?
Pretty good. All right, guys, about 3:30 and we are still rocking and rolling. All 4 lifts are full. Got a little bit of a line going on out there. The whole parking lot is still just jam-packed. Right now we're working on a set of love jugs on this motorcycle, which is absolutely beautiful. But he had a custom horn assembly and we've never actually worked with this one before. And this is what we came up with. We found that we could actually sandwich the love jugs in between the horn assembly. And that actually looks pretty cool. So now we're gonna pull off the fuel tank and install the frame mount kit, and we can send him on his way. We also did an oil change on this and a couple other things, so good job.
Welcome to Sturgis! Today's my birthday!
Well, we had a little bit of a rush, so I didn't record there for a little bit, but we're caught back up. But we still got 3 on the lift, 1 in line. Unfortunately, tire guys have no work, but they've actually had a fairly steady day today, so can't complain there either. Well, guys, it looks like the bike wash line has gotten smaller, so now the girls are out here trying to earn some more business. All right, it's 7 p.m. and this place is clearing out pretty quick. You know, there's concerts and stuff out at the Buffalo Chip and the Full Throttle. So at this point in time, everybody clears out and heads there. Got a beautiful sunset getting ready to happen over here. But I'm gonna take a few minutes and work on my bike. So I've got mine up on the lift right now. We just shut it off, so it's still kind of hot. But I've had an issue with my kickstand spring for a while. So I've got a new kickstand spring in black, and I went ahead and bought a new kickstand. I wanted a black kickstand as well. I've actually got this whole box of parts here. I don't think I'm gonna do it all just yet. So Baker Customs got me the little shift levers, got the new kind of ball milled shift linkage, I should say. Got the little toe piece, little fork cap, just a couple little dress up things. Even got the floorboard extensions so I can spread my legs out a little bit further. This is the cover for the rear shift lever, the one that goes into the transmission. There's the spacer because I don't use a heel shift because I think they're stupid. There's another fork cap, and these are axle covers. Not even sure that I wanted those, but we'll see. So, you know, I've mentioned before, guys, that I was planning on tearing this bike apart and redoing it cosmetically. Mechanically, there's really nothing wrong with it, but I need to paint it. It's like 4 different colors right now. And I wanted to, you know, just do some nice dress up stuff. And I am phasing out a lot of the chrome, putting some more black on it. I'm not going to get rid of all of the chrome, but we're going to definitely strengthen the black mix on it. So that's why I did a lot of this stuff in black, but like this piece is stainless. But I don't know that I want to do all that right now because I want to take the bike apart again later. And so maybe I'm better off keeping the stuff in their nice packages and keeping it good until that time comes. But the kickstand is kind of necessary, or at least the spring, because right now when I kick the kickstand out, it just flops forward and tries to hit the front wheel. All right, back up at the Pilot with an evening cup of coffee, and we are going to close this video here, guys. It was a much better day at the rally today. A very, very good sales day. I don't think I've ever seen that place as busy as it was, but we're very happy with it. We didn't make up for being as down as far as we were yesterday and the day before, but we were definitely up from that day last year. So all in all, we're doing well and we're happy with it. But it's late, I'm tired, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time I see you, keep those engines running.